This joystick tester is absolutely perfect when you're out in the wild picking vintage computers and you come across a TAC2 joystick and you're thinking of buying it and you ask the seller, does it work? And the seller goes, oh yeah, it works perfectly. And you're like, yeah, I don't think so. I wish I could test it. Well, now you can. As you can see, you can go up, down, left, right, fire. You can test all that functionality and it will show you in real time if this thing works or not. So now you can make buying decisions and not waste any money like I did with this TAC2 joystick, which doesn't work, and this Star Master joystick, which also doesn't work. So I'm going to have to find myself a new TAC2 joystick for my Commodore 64, or perhaps I'll do a video and repair this one. So let me know in the comments, what's your favourite type of joystick? I know some people like Commodore joysticks, like the OG ones. Some people like Amiga joysticks, like the Competition Pro, the sort of old school 2-button ones. I recently bought one of those for an Amiga, for a Raspberry Pi actually, an emulator. And that was pretty clunky, pretty good value, I think. But I don't think anything beats the Competition Pro, or for an IBM it might be a QuickShot joystick. Who knows? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.